A lockpicker exposes a $130 locks flaw using a soda can. The manufacturer sues him. He buys another lock and exposes it again.
The original packaging, so you know it wasn't tampered with. Oh, yeah, you can't do that with the Beachful McCroy. All right, here's the lock. We'll make sure the key actually opens the lock, or make sure the lock operates. Yep. Sometimes they don't. I'm not saying this particular brand, but it's happened where I've gotten a brand new lock and it doesn't even work. You can still pick it though, which is interesting. So anyways, cut the top off, put a slit down the side, and just cut a strip out. We're going to round it out. I'll remove this side because it's messed up, and you don't have to do that. I'm just doing it so I don't lacerate myself on a aluminum shim. And that's it. You don't have to measure anything. No science, no math needed. Just going to shim it into the back. Make sure we're fully seated behind the latch. Give it a few pumps. There it is.